happening, folks?
What's going on?
We're at the Great Falls Mill.
Great Falls Mill.
Great Falls Mill, 1839. Sadly, it's up for auction in a few days here.
Yeah.
And the new owners have a right to bulldoze it down and turn it into a commercial development, or
Whatever.
they could make it a historical site. We don't know, but time will tell. But yeah, auction's coming up, but we want to film some of this mill. And it's 1839 is when it was built originally. Civil War time, Sherman's troops burned it down, and then it was rebuilt and ran as a cotton mill up until the Great Depression. Then in about 1970, it caught on fire, and all it remains is the skeleton that we're showing you guys. So, pretty neat area. Massive structure. There's a really big waterfall behind it. It's the largest waterfall east of Charlotte. That's what they claim. Another little fact about this area is Hootie the Blowfish filmed one of their songs here. I can't remember the exact name of it. The Old Man and I, something like that. And they filmed it back here. So Little Carr Creek runs through here, and it eventually runs into the PD River. But that's a pretty good waterfall going. We'll try to get a closer view of it. Alright guys, that's a cool find. Ooh, get careful here. So yeah, that's a really nice waterfall back here. It's definitely worth coming out and checking it out. So I'm glad we did. We almost thought about just not coming at all. That's a nice waterfall. But it's really even better in person, but the old structures, you gotta be real careful out here. They're falling in bad shape, but this whole site could be soon gone. I'll try to get a close photos of where Hootie the Blowfish did their song here at the mill in a few minutes. We're standing in the, if you look up, right in there, they routed the Little Carr Creek off, and this was their dugout. And it goes that way into back into the main creek, Little Carr Creek. So it was used to power this mill. The falls above it is where they routed the water off and made cotton fabrics and stuff in the 1800s. So really interesting place. And then we'll wrap up and get a few more photos as we head back to the car. That song from Hootie the Blowfish, The Old Man and Me, was filmed here at the mill, and it was done over here. That was the backdrop. Pretty cool stuff. So yeah, that was where the song was, The Old Man and Me. And the fire that got it and pretty much stripped it down to nothing was, except these skeletal remains, was the fire of 1972 when it burnt down. So we'll see what the new owners do with it. I hope it becomes a historical site. The town or county, Richmond County is where this is at, in North Carolina. They had thought about making it a historical site, but they couldn't negotiate a deal with the owners, or the current owner. So because the current owner you know, decided to go ahead and just auction it off and see what happens. Again, the world's all about money. Instead of preservation, it's all about money. But we'll see what happens with it. But we wanted to come down here and document this for everybody before it could be non-existent in the next coming days. The auction date is, I think, May 13th through the 15th, or anyway, this next week coming up, because we're here. It's May 10th when we're here of 2025, and it's going to be sold this coming week, so things can happen quickly. There you go, the Great Falls Mill of 1839. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this little video presentation, and we'll hit you up on the next adventure. Don't forget, like, subscribe if you want to. Peace out.